I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted comments on YouTube and want to get them back, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your notifications. Look at your YouTube notifications to see if you received alerts about the comments you deleted. Sometimes, YouTube sends notifications when comments are removed. Step 2. Review your email. If you have email notifications enabled, check your inbox for any emails from YouTube regarding your comments. You might find the text of the deleted comment in those emails. Step 3. Use YouTube Studio. Log into YouTube Studio and navigate to the comments section. Here, you can see comments that are held for review or have been removed. Step 4. Check for backups. If you have a backup of your channel data, restore it to retrieve deleted comments. This can be done through the YouTube Data Export feature. Step 5. Contact YouTube support. If all else fails, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. They may be able to help you recover deleted comments depending on the situation. Remember, recovering deleted comments isn't always guaranteed, but these steps can increase your chances. Good luck and happy commenting.